Hello, how you doing? Today I'm going to make this red Thai curry with seafood. It's really, really delicious. It's very simple. I'm making this with Thai curry paste. You can go red, yellow, green, up to you. Welcome back to How to Cook Right. Okay, let's take a look at what we have. So let's look at these three. 1, 2, 3, roughly equal parts we've got here. About 2 cups of a prawn or shrimp, squid, and fish. I'm using a white fish. This fish is called hamor. You can use any type of fish. You can even use salmon or something like that, cod, that kind of thing. This is very coddy-like. Now we've got here 1 cup of onion, a tablespoon of garlic, a tablespoon of ginger that I've cut into nice thin pieces, 2 red chilies. Here I've got some lime leaves or kaffir leaves. Here I've got lemongrass, and here I've got fish sauce. Now the fish sauce is very, very salty. Be very careful with it. You only want a couple of teaspoons of it. We've also got here a red curry paste, which is kind of the main, there you go, you can take a look there, the main ingredient here. So in curry paste you will have lemongrass, chili, and the kaffir leaves, and as well as galangal and stuff like that. So if you don't have these or can't get hold of them, you can just go with the paste there. We've got like a tablespoon of that. It's very simple. Let's get on with it. Oh, by the way, we're going to be adding coconut milk. So a wok, saucepan, or a large skillet. In there I've got some oil. I'm using corn oil, about 2 or 3 tablespoons. I've just put the heat on. We're going to drop in our onion, 1 cup of onion. We're going to drop in our ginger and our garlic. We're going to add some black pepper, a small amount of salt. Like I say, the fish sauce is very salty, so be careful. I'm then going to be adding in, these are additional things, if you, like I say, the chili, the lime leaves, and the lemongrass. So yeah, all of those things are in the curry paste anyway, so they're kind of just optional. You don't have to use them. You could just go with the paste. And I'm using a red paste. Yellow or green obviously are also fantastic. And like I say, I find that the pastes to be pretty good quality. They're, you know, they're not like a horrible ragu tomato jar of sauce sort of thing. Look, anyway, look, let's get on with this. About 3 minutes. Keep this moving. So fragrant, so wonderful. Okay, we're going to drop in the curry paste. Like I say, I'm using a red one here. And we're going to break this down and work it in for about another 3 minutes. Next up, we're going to add 1 cup of coconut milk. We're going to be adding more coconut milk shortly. And let's now go for another 2 to 3 minutes, again stirring all the time. Lovely stuff. Okay, we're going to go with our squid now, 2 cups of squid rings. Now I've got mine frozen. You can get it fresh, should be better I think, but yeah, this is a frozen one. And again, 2 or 3 minutes. Let's give this squid or calamari a head start. You could also get some mussels in here if you wanted, something like that, or some other type of seafood. Okay, we're going to drop in that little bit of fish sauce. Like I say, very salty, but very, very tasty. So only a couple of tablespoons of that is required. Then we're going to go in with our fish, which I've just cubed up. Again, 2 cups and 2 cups of shrimp or prawns, whatever you call that. And we're going to go for 3 to 4 minutes, again stirring pretty much all the way. Okay, only one more thing is we're going to add some coconut milk. So here I've got 2 cups. Here I've got 2 cups, so 4 cups in total. Plus that one that we added earlier. What we're going to do now is turn the heat down to just above a simmer, and we're going to let this go for about 6 or 7 minutes. Okay, and off goes the heat, and that is done. Check the salt level of it. I mean, if you've added a couple of teaspoons of fish sauce, I'm sure it's going to be fine. That's beautiful. Let's get that on a plate. Okay, and there we have it. Really nice, simple seafood Thai curry, red Thai curry, made with the paste, which I actually recommend. Don't shun away from Thai paste. It's wonderful stuff. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.